In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change multiple words in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. Whether you want to correct a repeated typo, update a term throughout your document, or replace certain words for clarity, using the Find and Replace feature can save you a lot of time compared to manually editing each instance. To begin, open the Word document where you want to make the changes. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Editing group on the far right, click on Replace. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box where you can specify the text you want to change and the replacement text. In the Find What field, type the word or phrase that you want to replace. Then, in the Replace With field, type the new word or phrase that should take its place. For example, if you want to replace the word video with photo, type video in the Find box and photo in the Replace box. Once both fields are filled, you have two options. You can click Replace to update each instance one at a time. This allows you to review each replacement before committing, which is helpful if the word appears in different contexts. Alternatively, you can click Replace All to change every occurrence in the document at once. Word will display a message showing how many replacements were made, so you know exactly how many changes occurred. If your search needs to be case-sensitive or match whole words only, click on More in the dialog box to reveal additional options. Here, you can refine your search to ensure that only the exact words or phrases you want to replace are affected, avoiding accidental changes to similar words. Using Find and Replace effectively helps maintain consistency throughout your document and significantly speeds up the editing process. This feature is especially valuable for large reports, manuals, or collaborative documents where multiple corrections are required. By mastering this tool, you can quickly and accurately update your text without the need for time-consuming manual edits, making your workflow more efficient and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.